Hi friends, this is our subscriber requested video. I just go to Play Store then download the app. After installation, open the app and take a look. I use Lens to translate purchase page. As you can see, we're going to mod this string. First open anti-split M, then make the app into normal APK. Now open MT Manager, go to that folder, tap the app, click View, see the Dex files. Open all Dex with Dex Editor Plus. Search for full version. Open this and change the text false into true. We don't need to modify all the lines. Now take a look. Long press, then click Go To. All the Go To function will redirect into that main code, which one we modified. See other lines too. Okay, done. Now save the code and compile the APK. Uninstall old one, then install mod APK. Now take a look. Purchase button removed successfully. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Just comment below to keep in touch with me. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.